My name is Gweneira, which means Snow White, and I have 7 brothers and sisters. I am the 7th child. My sister Rees, which means skylark, is the 8th. She and I are very close, but very different. I wanted to be a writer, and she loved maths. I stayed in Ceredigion and had 2 children, Rees, the skylark, who is named after my sister, and Bleddyn, which means wolfman, but who is the gentlest of men. My sister moved away and became an accountant, but desperately wanted children. After years of anguish, and with the help of a few wizards, she gave birth to twin boys, Dyfri, the sea god, who loves water, and Heddwyn, the peaceful one, who isn't peaceful at all really, but wears his heart on his sleeve. I call them the miracle babies, and am so happy that my sister's dream came true. As for my dream, I still want to be a writer.